Question 19. Now this is another tricky question, I think. So for part A, we've got to mark the point C on the map. Now we know two things about C. It is due south of A, so it's below A directly downwards, so we can put that line in there. Secondly, we're told the bearing of C from B is 235. So C from B is 235. Now with a bearing, you always measure from north, you always measure clockwise, and that's it. So over here I've got my protractor out, and you can see that I've gone and put it pointing straight upwards on naught. I'm then going to measure in a clockwise direction, so I'm starting with the top dial here, 0, 10, 20, go all the way around from 235. That gives me there, do a little mark, put the line in, and that's where I got that line there from. And where those two cross, that is where C is. Now part B is very difficult, I think. We're told that the bearing of D from B is 168. So here's D, there's B, so D from B is 168. Okay, again, from north, clockwise, 168. We've now got to find the bearing of B from D. B from D. So how do we describe B from D? Well, put in the horizontal, not the horizontal, sorry, the north, the vertical, and we're going to have to measure this angle right round here. So again, clockwise from north, and now we've really got to just think about our angle knowledge here. If we extend this line along here, this component of the angle here is an F angle. So that component from here round to here is 168 degrees. Added together with this bit here, which is angles on a straight line, that's another 180, giving us 348 degrees. Now that's really complicated. If in doubt, I think more often than not, just adding on 180 degrees is going to give you the answer. Okay, 180 added on to 168 gives us the correct answer. Now for part C, we've got to work out the lower bound. Now Gordon measures the length on the map to the nearest 6.3 centimeters, correct to the 1 decimal place. Okay, so that's 2.1 of a centimeter. Now that means we can go up or down by half of this 1 decimal place, half of 0.1, which is 0.05. So we either go up or down by 0.05. Because we need the lower bound, we go down, so it's 6.3, take away 0.05, which is 6.25.